Greetings, my beautiful family. Let's make this a delicious flat bread. Okay, you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 165 milliliters of lukewarm water. And then you mix this and leave it aside for 10 minutes. And then on your 3 cups of flour, you just need 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything and add your yeast water. And then after that, you're gonna add your 165 milliliters of milk and mix again. After mixing, you add just a tablespoon of oil, and then you continue to now you knead the dough until it's of this consistency, and then put on a lid and leave it for an hour on a lukewarm place so that it can rise. That has risen. This is perfect. So now you have to prep your board and also your rolling pin, and then you put your dough there, and then just divide it into some sizes, whatever the size that you prefer. It's okay, doesn't matter. And then you after this part, I'll show you that you have to roll it into some round shape, just like that, and then leave them aside for 10 minutes before you actually roll them. After 10 minutes, you have to roll them. You have to put the flour on your board so that it doesn't stick. Just make sure that you do not roll them too thin. Just make sure they're a little bit thicker so that they will have like a great shape size. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna leave all the ingredients on my description board, and also please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel. I'll be so glad to answer and read your comments. And then in a hot pan, you just put it like this. Once you see the bubbles, you have to flip it over just like that. And then here you have to brush it with your oil and herbs. I didn't have a brush, so I just opted for my spoon, so it's okay. And then there we go with all of my bread. How nice they are. So the oil and the bread just help with the flavor, and also it helps them to not stay dried. You can also put your chili flakes on the oil, or on the bread as well. It doesn't matter, just whatever the flavor that you like, it's perfect. I just didn't have those, I only had the herbs, so I used only the herbs. You do that in every bread, and then you have to cover them with the wet towel and leave them, or just eat them immediately. Look at these. Wow. Delicious. So bon appetit. love this. Oh gosh. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video.